Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share um, 4 more altered playing cards that I've been doing with friends um, online. And I'm going to show you 4 cards that that have prompts. They all have prompts on it. So, but I'm going to share my next 4 cards. So this one is number 6, and it is paper flowers. And I had punched out some paper, book pages with some punches that I had. This is a Martha Stewart punch. This is a what do you call it? It's a book page, but it doesn't have any script on it, or type on it. I sanded the edges. I sanded my card down so it's not so glossy, and you can see that. And then I inked the edges with walnut stain and vintage photo. And then I added these teeny tiny buttons for the centers. Okay, so that is number 6. Number 7 is cats. And again, I used my stickers from the Dollar Tree. I've had these forever. I haven't seen these stickers. I've never seen them come back again. So this is perfect. And I used some of, the scraps of paper that I have in my stash. These were stickers, and I think they have like a little foam, on the back. Yeah, these are really adorable little kitty cats. Okay, next one is number 8, is quilt blocks, and I tried my best with these. So I used this punch. It's an old Creative Memories square punch, and I used the 3/4 inch square, and I cut them in half. I made a little what do you call these? They're not Ferris wheels, but there's something. I forget what they're called. I used 2 different types of paper. I cut the squares in half, and I just kind of made a little pattern. There's these here. Then I used my tracing wheel, and then I made faux stitching. If you can see on here. So they're like little faux stitching that I did. I even did it all the way around. I think I did it all the way around. Somewhat. Or I might have just done it on the paper. And then this paper in the background is just some scraps of paper I had in my stash. Okay, this one is number 9. And this one is altered paper clips. So you could either do it 2 ways. You could add paper and do it this way, and have it dangle down. Or like I did, I just altered the paper clip with some trim and this teeny tiny bow from Walmart, and that is my altered paper clip. And then I added a tag with an ephemera piece. This is a Dollar Tree sticker. And then I laid down some book pages, and it's like a tuck spot. Like I could put this in a journal and still have the altar playing cards. So that is the next 4 cards, and crafting with my friends, and we're challenging each other to do different types of altar playing cards. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.